Perth and Kinross Health and Social Care Partnership operates a specialist supported employment service to help people facing additional challenges to gain meaningful employment. This is called the Employment Support Team. What sort of additional challenges do we mean? Well, this can include challenges such as learning disabilities, severe and enduring mental health conditions, acquired brain injuries, or autism spectrum conditions. We help people to prepare for, secure, and importantly maintain paid employment throughout Perth and Kinross. Article 23 of the United Nations Universal Declaration of Human Rights states that everyone has the right to work, to free choice of employment, to just and favourable conditions of work, and to protection against unemployment. Everyone, without any discrimination, has the right to equal pay for equal work. Everyone who works has the right to just and favourable remuneration, ensuring for himself and his family an existence worthy of human dignity and supplemented, if necessary, by other means of social protection. Everyone has the right to form and to join trade unions for the protection of his interests. The Employment Support Team are there to ensure that those human rights are respected. Our team is made up of qualified supported employment practitioners to help people facing barriers to get jobs. Our team are extremely passionate about delivering a person-centred service and form strong working relationships with job seekers, their families and support networks. A wide variety of skills are required to become a supported employment practitioner. Being able to communicate effectively with people accessing the service as well as with others is crucial. From talking to the person, their families, friends and support networks, to liaising with employers, social workers, health colleagues and other agencies is all in a day's work for a practitioner. We provide tailored support to people at all stages of their employability journey, whether it's gaining the skills required through training, work experience, completing a CV and applying for jobs, attending an interview or supporting someone that's been in work for years. We do our best to ensure each person achieves their goals in a person-centred and holistic way. We can work with people that are referred to us via many different routes. Services such as day opportunities, social work and social prescribers all help people to access our team. Our health colleagues, including GPs, learning disability nurses and community mental health teams also refer. As do some people who are transitioning from schools and colleges. On receipt of a referral, the person is allocated an employment support worker. They will arrange to meet at a convenient time and location to complete what's called a vocational profile. This is a live document that gathers a wide range of information about the person's employability goals, their skills and expertise, and will help to plan the next steps towards achieving those goals. People we are working with can be offered to join one of our 8-week work skills courses, which run throughout the year to help them prepare for employment. This can ensure people have an up-to-date CV and can access the technology required to apply for jobs. We share interview techniques, hold mock interviews, and make it a fun experience for all participants. Often, the first step for someone looking for paid work is to try out some jobs. We can scope out suitable work experience placements for people and help them learn the role. The officers can also help with independent travel training to help the person get to and from work on their own. They work with the employer to ensure health and safety matters are taken care of, provide support with inductions and complete robust risk assessments. Using the vocational profile and job analysis, our team will ensure effective job matching is undertaken. By matching the person's skills and abilities, their strengths and weaknesses, and their desired career choices with real jobs in the open labour market. We support the person as much as possible to make a success of their paid employment. We will work with employers to place, train and maintain an individual in work. When in work, we can support people to learn on the job and will work alongside the person if required for a period of time. We will support the person and the employer with any reasonable adjustments that may be required. We make sure the person learns a job well and can carry out their duties independently. A big part of our role is to make sure that people are able to maintain their jobs. We do this by monitoring and regularly reviewing the employee and are always available for the employer to contact should any issues arise. Both parties can contact the team at any time for advice, guidance and support, and we maintain a positive, accessible and friendly relationship with all. As part of our ongoing support, employment support officers ensure that employees are treated fairly and have access to the same benefits as everyone else. This includes equal pay and also access to training and career development opportunities. We hold regular appraisal meetings which highlight any issues as well as the needs or wishes of the employee and the employer. The Employment Support Team are also leading members of Perth and Kinross Employability Network, which comprises of 36 member organisations, all delivering various support across the employability pipeline. The network members can be contacted directly using their employability contacts on the website at www.pkemploy.net. Details of our services, contact information and referral forms can all be found at www.pkc.gov.uk/EST. You can also find us on Twitter at PK Employability. Thank you for taking the time to learn a bit more about our service.